I was looking for some female pumpkin blossoms. It's late in the season, September, and it's about to get cold. So I'm trying to find some blossoms to pollinate before it's too late. So I end up finding two female flower, but there's no male flower to pollinate them. So that's the first one right there. Here's the other one. There's a bee in there, but there's no more male blossom. I found this dried up one. This is a dried up male from a male blossom. But I don't know if it'll work. I used it on one of the pumpkin. Use it on this one. So I'll wait a few days, see if it'll work. Two days ago I pollinate this. So I want to see how it looks like. It doesn't look like it's growing. It's been 2 days. But now I can see a male blossom, so I'm gonna try and do this again. There's a male blossom right here. I'm gonna try and re-pollinate these after 2 days. Other one is right here. Can't tell if it's growing or not. I think I'm gonna pollinate just one of them. I'm going to repollinate just one and see what the outcome is. So I repollinate this one and I put the mesh back on it. The mesh protects it from animals eating the small pumpkin. So I just transfer the pollen from the male flower to the female flower. It's a rainy day today. I'm gonna see if those pumpkins worked, the pollination worked. It's a few days later. And it's not looking good, it's really small still. I'm gonna check the other one. Oh, and there's a new one right here. There's a new female one right here. So I'll get to pollinate this one today. So this is the other one that was done a few days ago. Not looking good either. So I'll I'll do this one today. So I'm lucky I have a male blossom and a female. So I'll use this one to pollinate. I'm gonna check these peppers and see if they're any bigger. They are bigger, but they're not what they said they were supposed to be. These were sold as Scotch bonnet, and they're definitely not Scotch bonnet. This one is also sold as Scotch bonnet. It's not, sir. Something else. But still peppers, I'm still gonna use them. Oh, it's starting to get cold, so not much more time for these tomatoes. The pumpkins are over here. I don't think this pollination worked. This is one I did yesterday. This was a couple days ago. Should be bigger by now. Just saw another female blossom. Probably gonna be ready to pollinate in 2 days. It's September and it's too late, and all of a sudden all these female blossoms are popping up. There's another little one right here. This one definitely won't make it. Not enough time. It's gonna get cold soon. So I'm gonna have to get rid of that one. I don't want to do it, but I have to. This is this week's harvest. I got a bunch of kale right there. 4 different kinds of kale. Some tomatoes, a little bit of thyme. These are the only 2 pumpkins for the summer. And I'm trying to get some more, but it's unlikely. Parsley, some more tomatoes, a little cayenne pepper, and some rosemary. This is all for now.